In front of me is Motorola G75, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Caffeine. Keep screen on. It has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, launch it, hit OK and go into tab menu. Now edit it thanks to this pen at the bottom right corner. Scroll down, look for Caffeine shortcut and drag it all the way to your current menu to add it. Then go back and click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!